Hi guys, today we will talk about how to add your address on your LinkedIn app. We will go to figure out this solution or know how you can do that on your app. So just go up, you will click here on this picture here in app, then it's going to show for you window like this. And all you have to do now, just click here on settings, then you come to settings window here. So it's going to show for you like this. Then you click here on account preferences and you come to next window here. So then you just click here on name location here. You will click, then it's going to take you here. You click here on this sign, then it's going to take you here in this window. And all you have to do, just go down here. You click here on edit contact info. You will click here, then it's going to take you here in this window. Then you just click here on address. You will click here and add here your address, and you click here on save. Then like you say your address, it's going to save with you when you just follow this way. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.